Welcome to our step-by-step guide on sending multiple photos in your Facebook chat group on your PC. Let's get started. Step 1. Begin by opening facebook.com in your preferred web browser. Step 2. Locate and click on the messenger icon situated at the top right corner of your screen. Step 3. Once in Messenger, select any chat group on Facebook that you wish to share photos with. Step 4. Look for the photo and video icon positioned at the bottom of the chat interface, adjacent to the text box. If these options are not visible, simply tap on the + symbol next to the text box to reveal them. Step 5. Choose the specific photos you want to send by clicking Open after selecting them. Step 6. To dispatch your selected photos, either click the Send button or press Enter on your keyboard. You've successfully learned how to efficiently send multiple photos in your Facebook chat group on your PC. Enhance your group conversations with visual storytelling. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tutorials and updates. Thanks for watching.